Hey there, aspiring IBCLC. Are you dreaming of helping families on their breastfeeding journey but feeling overwhelmed by the process of becoming certified? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the exact steps to become an International Board Certified Lactation Consultant, or IBCLC, and how in my course, Launch Become an IBCLC Simplified. This course can make it so much easier for you. Let's dive in. Step one, it's all about education. You need to complete specific health sciences coursework like anatomy, nutrition, psychology. If you're already a nurse or healthcare professional, you might have some of these already under your belt. But if not, don't stress. There are plenty of ways to fulfill these requirements online or in person. And in my launch course, I've compiled all the resources you need to find the right classes for your situation, saving you hours of research. Next, you'll need hands-on experience. Depending on the pathway that you take, this could mean completing up to 1,000 hours of supervised clinical practice. I know that number sounds huge, but trust me, it's doable with the right plan. In my course, I break down the 3 IBCLC pathways, helping you choose the one that fits your background and lifestyle. Plus, I share tips on finding mentors and clinical opportunities. Finally, it's time to tackle the IBCLC exam. This comprehensive test covers everything from breastfeeding techniques to ethics and counseling skills. It can feel intimidating, but preparation is key. In Launch, I'll walk you through study strategies and share resources to help you feel confident and ready to succeed on exam day. Now, I know becoming an IBCLC can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. My Launch Becoming an IBCLC Simplified course is designed to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're just starting out or already knee-deep into the process, this course is packed with actionable steps, tips, resources, and support to help you achieve your dream. Ready to get started? Click the link below to enroll now. Take the first step towards becoming an IBCLC, and I can't wait to see you inside the course.